Good hook set. You got him, B. Bring him in. You don't have to hook set him again. Fix your worm, Ro. Rock bass. Nice rock bass. Bring him in. Nice one. Nice little bluegill. Bring it with me. Good job. Show our fish off. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rich, your host, watching Owl's Nest Outdoors. Today we're doing our Father's Day fishing tournament. This is the 4th annual. Last 3 years we had Rowan, our champion. We'll see how we do. Maybe you got your worm. Oh, he's got it. He's on there. Hold on, let's tighten up your drag.
Hold on.
Go ahead.
Hey, I got him.
Bring him in, a little bluegill. That's not a little one. That's a nice one. It is. It's a very fat one. Ooh, barely hooked too. Pretty pumpkin seed. Ah. Keep away from those hooks. There you go. You got one? All right, 1 to 1.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you got another big one too. You got a big one. Ow! Don't be doing this to me all day long. Nice little one. You got him. Oh, that's a nice one, B. Good hook set. You got him, B. Bring him in. You don't have to hook set him again. Fix your worm, Ro. Rock bass. Nice rock bass. Bring him in. Nice one. I gotta go this other way. I want B. Yeah, I know where it is. Nice rock bass for Brooklyn. Hey, Ro, in the shadows in the dock area, throw in there. Along the dock, see the poles? Put it right in between the dock and those poles. No, right there, but along the dock. See, look at me. See, there's poles to the right, dock to the left, put it right in the middle. Let's try. There you go, good shot. There's bass in there. Your worm's not on too good, but I catch a lot of bass in that area. Not gonna hurt you, baby. There you go. You get one? All right, 2 to 2. I gotta stop this recording here soon because we're catching so many fish. All right. I know, I'm coming back. I'll get you out. Bring it in for right now. Rowan, don't have it tight. Let it go loose. Step back from it. Here, Ro, give it to me. Get out of the way, B, for a minute. Go sit down somewhere so you don't fall. I can't believe that fish is still on there. There we go.
How long can they stay up?
They're fine.
Like a while.
We'll get them back in the water. Another one for Ro. It's like, try to get them back out.
Oh my gosh.
Nice little bluegill. Bring it with me. Good job. Show our fish off. 4 to 2. Nice. What we got here? Bluegill, sunfish. You're on up. You're on up.
I'm sorry.
When I grab it, you put the pole down so it loosens the line up. You see that? So I don't get stabbed. All right. I can't lift these guys. Little bluegill. He's a light one, colored one. You new worm bee. It's a small guy, Ro. He's gonna steal your bait. Throw it up. Oh, you got him, huh?
It's in the boat.
It's in the boat.
Oh my gosh, is that a minnow?
No, it's a baby bluegill. This is what the bass eat. We need another worm. Can you grab another worm? Rock bass. They still spawning. obviously. All right, guys, you can see we're off the water. You can see who won again, 4th year in a row for Rowan. Congratulations. There you go, show your trophy off. Thanks a lot for showing up. Have a great day.